Manipur University ki Department of Teachers Education asinduna Mapan Suba Literary, Cultural and Sports Week English nga kungamanga ngasi University asigi traffic point da hugdokre ngasi sports amadi cultural week hugdokki ahanba thoromda mass pass competition amasu pangthokki thoromadu da University asigi students welfare gi din Professor CS Ibohol amadi School of Education gi din Professor Premlata Maisnamna maruoiba mithunglen sing oina saruk yakhi thoromgo mari lenana Manipur University gi School of Mathematical and Physical Science gi din Professor Sumitra Fanjubomna Fongdorakpada ngasidagi haugodoriba cultural amadi sports week asida mahiroi singna makoi gi hai singba kaya adu puthoktuna mai paknaba honaba mathok tai loinana pangthokodoriba tongan ba competition sing asida saruk yariba mahiroi singna mai paktaba yadi haiduna thauna hanba leitana honaba machangi mai pak haibasi yamna maru oi haina fongdokhibaga loinana week asida saruk yariba mahiroi singdasu yaifomangol pikhi
I am really thankful, and I would like to commend the department for organizing this very wonderful initiative which promotes the holistic spirit of education. Because in this function or in this week, the theme, as it has been mentioned in the earlier part, that it is Pandam, very important week, and I'm sure you will have the opportunity to immerse in various activities and literary activities where you will be taking part in various competitions, and your expressions and thinking will be sharpened. And when you have the cultural activities, you will rediscover your roots and you will celebrate diversity. And when you do the sports activities in the week, we know that sports has many beneficial effect. It teaches you discipline, endurance, and teamwork.
Manipur University amadi Research and Information Service RIS New Delhi ani ki barakta anirak suba oina Memorandum of Understanding ama sign taunakre RIS New Delhi na sinduna June ki tang ahum dagi mari fawba pangthokhiba Triangular Cooperation and South Cooperation International Conference aduda MOU adu sign taunakhibani sign taunakhibasina Manipur University asi RIS New Delhi ga punna thabak tominagadaba University kunmathoi suba oiragani RIS University Connect Hub Manipur gi Coordinator MC Arun Kumar na thadorukpa cherol amada MOU adu Manipur University gi maikidagi University asigi Vice Chancellor Professor Naurem Lokendra amadi RIS New Delhi gi maikidagi RIS ki Director Professor Sachin Chaturvedi na sign taunakhi sign tawbgi thormadu da Manipur University gi Vice Chancellor Professor Naurem Lokendra na University asina hena pak chawba ipak amada wakhalon lanaba thoksil thorangda punna tijin hujin bagi maikida lakpada nungaiba fongdokhi cherol aduna makha taraduna Professor Naurem Lokendra na Manipur University da Southeast Asia maruina yumno nariba Myanmar gi matangda takpi tambiba amadi tijin hujin duna lakli haina fongdokhi hari Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Professor Naurem Lokendra ki makhada Indo-Pacific Affairs ta punna thijin humjinaba khongthangda RIS New Delhi amadi Manipur University ga MOU chahiasi ki January thada ahanba oina sign taunakhibani haina su cherol aduda palli Ahmedabad ki London tamna paigada Air India Flight 171 plane crash aduda lekhidrabi Manipur dagi cabin crew member ani gi mafamda Indigenous Peoples Forum Manipur na thamoi sokna nungaitab amadi awaba fongdorakli Forum asigi President Asang Kasarna khuyek piduna thadorokpa cherol amada hai laibak thiba thogdok aduda lekhidrabi nganthoi Sharma Kongrai lapam amadi Lamnun Then Singson ani gi achetpa firep thona lingjel asi makhoi gi imung manung khaknatana Manipur miyam gi chokthok chaningai oiri lekhidrabi lamdam asigi Chandura anina achetpa firep ka loinana pangthok lamba thogai thona lingjelna lamdam asigi miyamda mangal ama piragani lekhidrabi nganthoi amadi Lamnun Then gi thawai yogdraba haksangna lairamlenda ingna chingna leiba oirasanu haina forum asina thadorokpa cherol aduda makhatari Tha asigi tang taragani thoida Ahmedabad ki London Gatwick tamna paikiwa Air India Flight 171 da cabin crew member oina chatkivi Thawaldagi Nganthoi Sarma Kongbrai Lapamna flight adu kaibada lekhidabada ngasi Silent Digital amadi Bahujana Sahitya Academy National Committee of India gi mihut kangbu amana lekhidrabi gi yumda hakthengnana chatuna awaba phungdokre awaba phungdokgi thoromga mari lenana Dr. Fanjobom Lalajit Singh Chairman Silent Digital na cabin crew gi sinfambu pamjana thabak torom khibi Nganthoi Sarma Kongbrai Lapamna Ahmedabad ta thokiba lebaktiba plane kaib gi thodokta lekhidabda nungaitaba phungdokhi loinana imung manunggi awabalasu saruk yari haina phungdokhi mahangna makha taraduna miyoi bagi punsi kanana su tamba ngamde nongmadi soidana siragadaba ngактani aduna hingligai matam khara asida nungsi chanana hingminasi nganthoina lekhidrabasu mahakna aviation industry da tokjaramba thabak thorom sing adudi mutnaidana lehoragani lekhidrabi gi thawaina lairamlenda ingna chingna leiruba oirasanu haina mahakna makha tana phungdokhi
Sigumlaba kudi Boeing Air India AI 171 Ahmedabad tagina London Bhava Paigadori basi Ahmedabad airport tagi Sardar Vallabhbhai International Airport tagi hek paikhat khibaga ikan kanadana miku kharegi manungda manak nakpada leiba hostel amada PGB mahiroi single hostel amada mujandana class tokhiba masida Manipur dagi ju ni yaukiba loinana Gujarat ki hana honorable chief minister biramba loinana sanai ni kayama makogi livelihood ki damakta su London da settle tobane haina chakkiba family kayama mayama yaukre puna makki hoina so awa nuaitaba akoi phongdokchari Silent Digital amadi Bahujana Sahitya Academy National Committee of India gi maikei dagi adubo akoina icheni bema si pabungna so haibire media gi reporting da so akoina thengnajare April gi 2020 ga 3 da ma apply tawbadagi yam fresh hoina haitare madu khanbi dana ma ki merit da mang hek DM College of Commerce gi loijaraba matung mang apply tawbadagi masi khallaga ma ki career si machi tungalakpa matamda khangu thakta mang gi se Abu Paul, I could not for Yamna Madrid, Fodokari, Jenny Magi, Hawaii, Iram Lenda, in a signal Levidana, Matangi Mapu Habadina, Lairagadi, Mutang Handiatana, aviation industry, Mutanga, Tolam Liva, Lemhuri, but Habakayas in the share, of the Ulu Hagana, the Jerry.
Longmai Bazaar Traffic Point ki Longmai Common Ground via Longmai Part 1-2 amadi National Highway Construction Agency NSIDCL PMU None Head Office amadi None District Police Reserve Line chingba lairiba khwaidi maru oiba lambi Makam Hospital and Research Institute ki staff singna yamna kudong thiningai oiba pothole sing cement menduna semjin khre Nongju thana maram oiduna highway amadi intervillage road singi fibam phachilaktabadagi mari leinaba singna sembi bangai bada lambi asida accident kaya thokpa yabagi fibam da leire hairi ngasi gi sathakiba social service adu Makam Hospital gi chief supervisor gi leasing makhada sathakibani hospital asigi managing board patient party amadi general public miyam gi maikei gi mari leinaba department amadi local MLA da appeal torok madudi None district headquarter manungi maru oiba lambi sing athuba matamda miyeng changduna sembi naba None district ki paumi singi kuthangda appeal tawki Lamdam asida numit kharani gi mamangdagi sabagi chang khangen hengalakli ising isau thokiba aduga sabagi chang hengalakpa asiga mari leinabra haibagi wafam lakli Manipur da monsoon gi nong churamlaba matung numit kharani asida sabagi chang hengalakpa asida miyam awawa khangnari None district ta mamangda amungta thokidriba mawngda sabagi chang Celsius degree 39.02 yongna khwaidagi yam sabu mafam oiki amadi Tampakta Bisnupur da Celsius degree 36.94 yongna sakhi lamdam asida ka hena sagalakpa asina laina tina kaya pokpa ahal oiraba amadi ana ayek yauriba miyoi singda ka hena awaba pibagi fibamda lakli